In this Gimp tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font color. First, I will create a new canvas. Then I will take a text tool and I'm going to type Gimp. And I'm going to change font style. And now I'm going to change the font size. And now there are two ways to change the color of this text. You can either click here to open the color palette. And let's say, for example, yellow. As you can see, it automatically changed the color of this text in yellow. Click OK and that's it. Another way is to click here to open the color palette. And let's say, for example, I will click on this neon green. Click OK. And as you can see, it is now changed in neon green. Now, to change the color of just, for example, these two letters, you need to highlight these two letters. Again, open the color palette. Let's say, for example, red. Click OK. And now just these two letters have a different color compared to these two letters. As you can see, it is really simple to change the font color in Gimp.